There's my little security alarm telling me that I unplugged it from my vehicle. It's beeping away. That is a great feature of a telematics device. Hey, so before we get on the road driving the vehicle, I want to show you where the OBD2 port is on the vehicle. If you're not familiar, the OBD2 port is a standard that is located in the United States in every vehicle right in the driver cockpit area. You can literally feel it with your hand just going across the bottom, feeling for a strange feeling bump, a little plastic port, and I feel it right there. I can already feel it. I take the device. It also has a little notch in it that tells you the orientation of the device. I'm simply going to go like that and push and plug in. Now the device is already installed. It's right there, the thing that I had in my hand. It took that long for me to install it. In this vehicle, it's great because it's there, it's out of the way. I could push my brake, my accelerometer. I can drive completely unobstructed, and I could leave the OBD2 port or this device plugged in straight away like that. No problem at all. Now, in cases where it is hanging straight down, which in some cases, or behind a plastic port, or in some cases you don't want the OBD2 or your telematics device installed in there, if you take it in for things like service maintenance, a mechanic is going to remove it because they're going to want to put their scan tool in. So in that case, you have something called a Y harness. A Y harness is simply a way to extend the port. Two pieces here. One is exposed to the actual port itself, just like it is right now without something installed. The other piece here will be fitted straight into your OBD. So I'll put that into that side. I'll tuck that. There's my little security alarm telling me that I unplugged it from my vehicle. It's beeping away. That is a great feature of a telematics device. It's a tamper problem. And then this piece would be replacing the piece that's already there from the OEM. So a mechanic can come in, put a scan tool in, run whatever they want on the vehicle itself. No problem. Your telematics device is tucked safely up underneath. You may want to have an installer come and do this if you're not comfortable with pulling down the actual plastic fascia from the vehicle yourself. It's not too difficult to do. I understand if you don't want to do it. Do understand that it may only take 15 minutes for an installer to come in and install a Y harness with an OBD2 port, securely tie it up under the dashboard, and Bob's your uncle, you're ready to go on the road. Let's get going. We're ready.